You know, I'm going to go with Junkyard Dog because I have never picked, like I said, I've never picked a Bearsback lock. So we'll see how this goes. Try this Tron that I just recently got. I think that's what this is, from Sparrows. Gonna try to go counterclockwise. And I'll just start here in the front. Got a false set there. Some counter rotation. It seemed like on one, although it might have been two. Getting some clicks and crunching. Nice false set. Oh, I'm about to lose it. I might have to put a different tensioner in here. Don't lose it. Oops, I lost it all. Yeah, that tensioner was not wanting to stay in there. You know, I've seen Bearsback, his name tags have a code. This one says WNG. I'm wondering if that's similar to like the American codes. The American lock codes. Okay, come on. Oops. I am not used to using bottom of keyway tension. I just don't use it very often. I'm gonna try top again. Don't lose it. It feels like it wants to go, but it also feels like it's gonna get hung up. Pretty sure I still need to get number 2. Okay, number 2, let's see. Gee whiz. Okay. I'm not sure about this key here. It's a KW10, but I think this is only a 5-pinner. I think this might be it. Come on. I might need a little bit different pick. Try something I'm lots more familiar with. I think I said I just got that Tron. Still getting used to it, figuring it out. I think number 3 may be holding me up. That's 4, pretty sure. You know, I didn't even try going clockwise, did I? It's been long enough. Let's try it. There we go. Little bit here and there. There we go. Well, I should have tried that sooner. Awesome. Lots of talking in there. And let's see. Got a bit of a mess here. I do not know where my normal clip remover is. Been building challenge locks and picks mostly, actually. Oh no! Don't do that. Don't fall out. Been building picks, and my area is a bit not super organized right now. Even worse than usual. Okay, we've got. Definitely got some stuff going on here. There's some, looks like counter milling in 2 and maybe 4 and 5. Yeah. And threading in 1 and 3. he filled these in, so I suspect there might be T-pins in 4 and 5. We will see. There's kind of like a bomb serrated and a serrated in 2, serrated in 3, standard in 4, and a standard in 5. Alright. There's that again. And gotta take this shim out of here. And we've got from Bearsback, we've got a very awesome, a short serrated. It actually looks like it's reduced diameter, like it might be maybe an American pin or something. I don't know. It just looks small to me. Interesting. Is it? It's sort of floppy in there. I don't think that's standard size pin. And it's serrated in there as well. Got threading in there, I guess. And a very deep spool in 2. And a steel spring, another steel spring, and threading. Got a serrated, almost like a barrel spool, or a barrel pin, in 3, and more threading. Number 5, we've got a T-pin, serrated T-pin. Oh goodness, no, that was a pin and pin. Oh boy, that was almost really bad. Okay, I believe that it goes like this. There we go. Okay, yeah, I thought it was a T-pin, but it was a pin and pin. Lovely. No threading in there, and it looks like another pin and pin in 4. Yes, awesome. Those take so much time to make, and they work really well. And no threading in 4 either. Alright, so we're gonna take a look here. Gonna try to show you here. 1, got this, I would call it the spool actually, and then this, it seems like a smaller diameter serrated in 2, and this really deep with a sharp spool, serrated in 3, and serrated on each end above it. Number 4 is a standard key pin, and this sleeve goes on this pin. That is so it's a pin and pin, so it acts as a T-pin as well. Very, very nice, and something very, very similar on number 5. That was very cool. Okay, well, I am going to put this together, and I think I'm gonna put everything in here, and then I'll show you at the end of the video how these drivers sit in here. So thank you, Bearsback, for making this and sending it out to the community, and thank you, Cameron Dunn, for this really, really awesome awesome package that you sent me. Everybody be good and be well. Alright, we've got some cool stuff going on here. Number 1 sits in there, not too deep, but it is serrated, and there are serrations, there are threads in the Bible. Number 2 have this deep spool, and then we have this countermilling that sharp edge will get stuck on. 3, we have this very cool serrated pin, and then this is really cool. Number 4 and 5 are really awesome. These pin and pins, those sleeves sit just below the shear line, and boy, I can't believe they didn't cause more trouble for me. But very, very cool.